Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options in Play video update. So you probably heard me talk about this idea of like a back test. So whether it's like a breakout or a breakdown, sometimes you'll get like this counter trend move where it leads to what's considered like a back test of like the breakout level, right? And what's nice about this setup when you get that back test is like it really signals to you whether the move was legitimate, right? So whether the move like the breakout, which I'll get to in a second on Tesla, is real, because if you have previous resistance turned into support, that's a great technical sign, right? That means that what had once been an area of resistance where there's a lot of selling interest all of a sudden has flipped and now buyers are stepping in, right? That gives you more confidence that the stock could continue to work higher or start to turn and head back north, right? So Tesla, the 100-day was a pretty big spot. So you had I could draw the trends here. So when you finally had like this break of the downtrend, right? You had a very fast move into the 100-day and then about a week-long pause at it. So hit it, failed, hit it, paused, and then when it broke through the 100-day, it was like a clean shot up to the 200-day. So you knew the 100-day was significant because when it first got to it, and for like the next couple of days, it took it took a little while to get above it. So when the stock started to roll over, knowing that the 100-day was significant, you're watching, waiting to see if buyers started to step in there and defend the level. Well, guess what? They did. So earlier this week, so Tuesday, you had a big hammer reversal off the 100-day, and actually last week, so last Thursday, you had another big hammer reversal off the 100-day. The 100-day is the blue line, which is this line right here. So now over like the course of the last week, you've had two unique tests of the 100-day. Both times have held, right? So now you have previous resistance turning into support, and that's the idea where it can set up either a turn higher or another leg up, right? And in this case, Tesla, you can see, is starting to move away from that 100-day. Overall, these types of trades, like sometimes you get like the quick move right off the level, and then if you're looking for something longer, it's probably going to require more heavy lifting from the overall market. So for Tesla, right, you got like the nice quick bounce, and that could be like the time frame of this trade is more of like a quick type trade. And if it's really going to put together another big run from here, it's probably going to need the market to really turn, and that could be a little bit more challenging. So like these like breakout back test or breakdown back test, sometimes they're more like short-term oriented, and then if you're looking for an even bigger move, you might need either like news or over the overall market to cooperate. Okay, but something that I know I've talked about in the past, I've written about in the past, and you probably hear a lot of traders talk about. But when you get like this back test, that's one of the interesting things about it, is that it can help you with like conviction. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night, stay well, and then we'll talk to you.